Hi everyone, let me take you through a tour of this luxurious 5-bedroom fully detached duplex here in VGC, Lekki, Lagos. Come along, let me show you. Come inside. So, welcome to this wonderful masterpiece where we have 3 units of 5-bedroom fully detached duplex in this estate. This is a very secured estate and it is sharing proximity to the entrance. You can see that it is in a well-secured environment. You are very close to the gate out to the entrance of this estate, and the security of this estate is a top notch. Come along. This is the spacious compound you have for you, and this compound is spacious enough to take 4 cars conveniently. You can see that we have a stamp floor readily done for you, and you can see part of our security measures we have include the CCTV camera and also the electric fencing. So you can see that we are very much concerned about the security. And look at the beautiful ambience and the edifice of this wonderful masterpiece. You can see that the beautiful building we have for you is well done and well fitted. It's a completed job, and all you need to do is just to ring me up and come inside here, make your payments, and also you'll be the proud owner of this luxury home. So let me show you more. Let me show you the interior of what we have. In this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex, we have the swimming pool, and also we have a very spacious family lounge for you. Come along, let me show you more. So coming inside, this is the entrance, and this is a smart door we have for this estate. For this building, we have made sure that we have a smart door for you, so that anyone that wants to come in comes in via the security code that you've generated for them. So, welcome to the wonderful ambience. Look at the spacious living room we have for you. In this ground floor here, we have the living room, we have the kitchen, and also we have the visitors room. So let me show you the visitors room. So this is the visitors room here. The spacious one, you can see that it is well spacious, comes with its wardrobe, and each room comes in suite. This is the toilet and the bedroom for the visitors room. So come along, let's go back to the living room. So this living room is the spacious one. Over there is where we have the visitors restroom. This is the visitors restroom here. So you can see this is the visitors restroom with a floating WC. And we boast of multiple ventilation. You can see the height of the ventilation is well done, well fitted. So come inside. You can see the living room. This is spacious enough. This is beautiful. Look at the chandelier we have for you. Very beautiful chandelier. I will show you when we get to the first floor how beautiful it is. So this is the chandelier. You can see the console, the TV wall that we have done here. So this is beautiful. All you just need to do is just to hang your TV here and you start enjoying the beautiful design of this house. Look at this beautiful POP design. You can see this beautifies this place very well. You can see how beautiful it is. Look at this area we have reserved for flowers, decoration, and a lot like that. Depends on what you want to do. You are free to do what you want to do with it. And as well, look at this wonderful design as well. This is just to beautify this wonderful home for you. We have 3 units here, 3 units of this 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex here. So 1 is readily gone. We have only 2 units left. So smart investors that love luxury, when we're talking about luxury, this is a definition of luxury. Come along, let me show you the swimming pool. So these are part of the green areas we have in here. You can see the green area. So show the green area we have here. So you can see all the green areas we have. And here is the swimming pool. So you can see this swimming pool is spacious enough for you, and it is well reserved. So this is a kind of swimming pool that, it's well covered. When you are doing your swimming, it's well covered, and depends on the way you want to protect it. It's your way of doing it. So let's go to the kitchen. So welcome to the kitchen. You can see this is a kitchen that is fitted. You can say a fully fitted kitchen. Look at this is an island here, and this island comes with another zinc, and this is the main zinc as well. So you haven't used it here for your usage. Here is where we have the 5-phase burner, the heat extractor, the 5-phase burner, the microwave, the oven, and here is where we have the heat extractor. So this is where you're going to put your fridge or freezer. This is the space for it. And these are the cabinets that we've readily done for you, just for you to pack in your loads and start making a good living here. So this is a little pantry. So maybe to store 1 or 2 things. So that is how you have it done. And this is the exit. So exit to the backyard. So this is where we have it. So this is the ground floor here. So I will take you now to the first floor and the second floor. So the first floor, we have 3 bedrooms there, the family lounge, everything you're going to see in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can see more of this luxurious 5-bedroom fully detached duplex I'm showing you. So come along, let's go. Okay, so let's climb the stairs and go to the, So welcome to the first floor. Here in the first floor, as I said earlier, so we have 3 rooms in here for you, and we have our family lounge here as well. So look at, so here is the space for the family lounge here. So we can, this is one of the rooms. This is another room, and here is like a store. So this is a store. Maybe you want to keep your inverter here or any box room or something. This is perfect for it. So that's how we have it. So let's start the inspection of the rooms from here. So this is the second room here. You can see it's a spacious one. Each room comes in suite, as I said. This is the toilet and the bedroom. You can see each room comes with the toilet and the bedroom, the water heater, the WC, and this is where you have the wardrobe here. So you can see with its ventilation, and also the pre-installed AC unit is in there. So come along. Yeah, so let's check this room. So this is the second room on this floor, which makes it to the third room. So here is the room, a spacious one, spacious enough, comes with its wardrobe, the toilet and the bedroom as well. So this is the toilet and the bedroom. So you can see the WC, everything that you need to have in your toilet and the bedroom is already in there for you. And here is like a mini balcony. So from the balcony, you can take a look at your environment. So you can see these are other blocks of buildings that is going on. This is a well-secured estate that you have to get security code before you have access to this estate. So when you're talking about security, it is well done and well implemented in here in this wonderful estate. So let's continue our inspection. Look at this beautiful chandelier, as I said. You can see this is a beautiful masterpiece. You can see how it's well fitted. Look at how the spiral look of the circular look of this chandelier beautifies this place. And as well, look at the inbuilt lights. The inbuilt lights and the POP also beautifies this estate very well, this building very well. And it's also having an inbuilt Bluetooth speaker. So if you play music anywhere in the house, it's everywhere in the house listens to the music, or anything that you want to play, it is going to work everywhere in this estate. So in this building. So this is a well done and well fitted job. So let me take you to the third room, which is the fourth room in this building. So here is the room. So this also is a spacious one, very beautiful, well fitted. This is the wardrobes. You can see the wardrobes. You can see all the wardrobes. These are strong wardrobes. These are very strong and well-fitted job. This is a well-done job. So let me show you the toilet and the bedroom. So this is the toilet and the bedroom. You can see the beautiful wall. This is the this is the wash hand basin. You can see water is readily flowing in the estate. The WC, the water heater, everything is in there for you. And here is where we have the balcony for this particular unit. So this is the frontal view from the first floor. So you can see the estate, you can see other buildings. You can see this is a well arranged estate. It's well laid out and well mapped. It can show all the buildings that we're seeing. So that is, so you can see this is in a very good and a well strategic estate here in VGC, Lekki, Lagos. Now, let me take you to the biggest of them all, the owner's suite, which is the one on the top floor, in the second floor. Okay, so climbing the stairs, let's go and see this top floor. So you can see this is the top floor of this building. Yeah, you see we have a dry kitchen here. So this is the dry kitchen. Comes with a mini shelf, the mini cupboards, and everything is there. So this is how we have it here. And this is the toilet for this particular unit here. This is also where you have the cinema. So come along, let me show you the cinema. So this is the cinema. So you can see it's well padded. Everything has been put in consideration, and this is where you'll be watching your movies and everything. So Netflix, anything that you want to watch, you can easily just come in here into your cinema and you can make use of it. So this is one of the beautiful things that you enjoying in here. And from this floor as well, we have the back terrace as well. So you can see this is a well spacious and a well fitted luxurious building here. Luxurious 5-bedroom fully detached building here. So you can see from the back as well. Look at the space, look at the environment, look at the structures, look at the buildings that you are sharing neighborhood with. So this shows that you are in a very secure environment, well-arranged environment, people with like minds, and these are the kind of environment that you find yourself. So back to the building now. So now let me take you to the room itself, where we have the bedroom and other things in here. So come along. So welcome to the owner's suite. You can as well call it the master's bedroom. Look at the beautiful chandelier. Look at the inbuilt Bluetooth speaker. And this is where you have the TV console. So if you want to watch, installing your TV here, that is, this is where you're going to put it. The ventilation, so you can see the Bluetooth, so the Bluetooth doorbell, so whereby you can easily see what's going on in the other part of the intercom in the building. Here is where we have the bedroom itself, and here is the walk-in closet. So from the walk-in closet, you can see all the wardrobes and everything is ready in here. And let me show you the toilet and the bedroom. So look at the beautiful double wash hand basin. So this is the bathtub itself. So this is the bathtub itself. You can put your soap holder here. This is the WC, the floating WC, and this is where we have the shower cubicle here. So this is a smart shower, smart shower that is installed over there. So you can see this is beautiful. This is luxurious, and this is something that you can boast of as your property. So if you're thinking of owning a luxurious 5-bedroom fully detached duplex in the axis of Lekki, Lagos, Lekki, Ajah, Lagos, this is a very lovely one. This is via VGC, and this is sharing proximities to a lot of wonderful locations. Let me show you the front terrace of this estate, of this particular unit here. So this is the front terrace. So you can see that we've had a lot of terraces in the front and the back, and so you can see this particular one. So this is where you have the front terrace of the owner's suite. So if you're a kind of person that love having a spacious environment to yourself in your own bedroom, you can see that the whole floor belongs to you. Your bedroom, the shower cubicle, the cinema, everything is readily available for you. And others, you can see the other units we have. So these are 3 units of 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. So we have one that is readily sold. We have 2 units left. So for more details of how you can secure a unit in here in this estate, this property goes for 400 million naira, and it is going out of market very fast anytime soon. So if you're luxurious, if you're interested in owning luxurious 5-bedroom fully detached duplex in the axis of Lekki, Lagos, so this is a very lovely one in a lovely estate, in a secure environment, serene environment. Make sure that you contact us via the number showing on your screen, and come along. Let's take you on this inspection and come and see this wonderful masterpiece. My name is Folarunsho Ahmed Lawal. I'm the lead consultant for Property Lab Nigeria. Our job is to ensure you get the best real estate deals that give you return on investment. And if this is the first time of you coming across our YouTube channel, please kindly do well to subscribe to our channel and make sure that you press the like button and also follow us so that you can see more videos of our wonderful listings in our portfolio. So thanks for watching and have a lovely time. Bye.